Have a happy morning, students. This is me, your teacher. Today we are going to discuss our new poem, and name of this poem is The Quarrel. Class 6, NCERT book, Honeysuckle, written by Eleanor Farjeon. Fine? Okay. Generally, brothers and sisters quarrel with each other, right? Hana? Fine. It is a very common situation. Okay? Many times they quarrel with each other without any reason. Their quarrels begin over a very small matter, very small issue, right? And how with a small kind like the quarrel end. It is very beautiful, right? So let's read this poem to feel the same. Let me read stanza number 1. Okay, pay attention here only. Okay? I quarrel with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another and somehow we fell out. The start of it was light. The end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. Okay. Let's see difficult words. Quarrel. That is fight. It's written quarreled. Past tense, so fought. Next word, slight. Means small things. Okay? Let me explain this stanza number 1. Fine. The poet had a fight with his brother. Both of them were fighting and were not even aware of the cause of the fight was. The fight was happening because of series of things. One thing was giving way to another. While fighting, both fell down. In the beginning, the fight was small and was not very serious. Okay? But gradually, it grew strong and became a serious issue. His brother said that he was right. But the poet was thinking himself on the right side. Fine. Now let's move to stanza number 2. Okay, let me read stanza number 2. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Let's say difficult words. Turn black. That means to become unpleasant. Fine. Second one, thumbed. That is hit. Fine. Okay. Now let me explain this stanza. Okay. In the noon, the fight became serious and both started hitting each other. They didn't like one another. But all of a sudden, poet's brother hit him on the back, right? And asked him to get along as it was not the right thing to pull the matter throughout the night, right? Otherwise, you can't sleep properly at night. Okay? Fine. So he also declared humbly that he was wrong, which proved his generosity. This moved the poet's heart and realized that he was wrong. So at the end, I should share one thing with you. No family is perfect, right? We argue, we fight. We even stop talking to each other at times. But in the end, family is family. The love will always be there. Right? Okay? I'm damn sure you are getting this explanation. So bye. Have a nice day, bacha.